quick car wash. Look at that shit, dude. They giving away free car washes. Damn, it's bright. Fucking quick quack, man. I just want to see. They giving us like the best car wash, the best wash, the top one. I just want to see how they do. Wow. Woo, buddy, look at that. Oh, you missed the duck. Tire shine, look at the duck. Quick. That's cool. Quick quack like a mug, man. All right, that was it. What?
A4.
What the heck? That's cool.
Thank you. Again, like I have to do work. You know what I'm saying? Like,
How do y'all do that? Like that?